Peruvian Amazon, extreme climate and dense jungle turn every mission into a challenge. When aircraft accidents occur, our teams deploy with drones, GPS, and air-to-ground coordination to locate and evacuate survivors. In flooded areas and raging rivers, rescuers use inflatable boats and swift water techniques to save lives. In remote communities, we provide medical care and emergency evacuations using river transport and satellite communication. Through jungle survival, rope systems, and special operations, we ensure response even in the most inaccessible terrain. Our commitment is constant, protecting lives in the heart of the Amazon.